Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Festival collection. So this collection's a little small, but it packs a punch. When I got it in the mail, I about flipped. All the like neon packaging and everything, the colors, the eyeliners, like everything literally just like had my name written all over it. So I was super excited. I do swatches over on my Instagram, so I will link those down below. We have the 8 pressed glitters. These pressed glitters are $5 each, and these are so good, you guys. I know this isn't too much like of a review, but the pressed glitters are so nice, and like the way that they look on your, like when they're swatched, are amazing. And even like on the eyes, you don't need like a base or anything, like they just stick. They have like an adhesive already in there. If you do have more hooded eyes, kind of like I do, I have slightly hooded eyes, and you have like problems with like things transferring into your crease, you'll probably want to put a like base underneath it just so like it won't transfer, but you don't need it. Like I don't have one on right now. It's not like crazy in my crease or anything, but it's definitely like kind of gone into my crease, you know. But those are $5 each, and I think that is a really good price for that. We have 4 new pressed pigments. So these ones are $5.50 each. So they come in like these cute like little neon packaging, and I like that they're not like the actual colors of the shadows inside. It is a little confusing, but I like the like color combos that are in there. You can also just buy them in like single pans, where you could just put them like in an empty palette. Pressed glitters don't come in a palette like this. They are just like singles that I put in an empty palette, but you can buy them with the empty palette bundle, I believe, that comes with the pressed glitters and the pressed pigments. You just won't get like these like little cute neon packaging. Well, it says 4 new Creme Gel Liners. I have 5, so I'm wondering if the white one was already a part of the line. I'm not too sure. But we have these 5 bright neon eyeliners. I have the yellow one on in my waterline right now, and these are so fun, and I just love color, so I'm here for it. And those ones are $6 each. We have 3 new So Juicy glosses. These ones retail for $7 each, and the colors in here are really nice. I think these will work on pretty much everyone. I have a new BFF mascara to add to the rest of them. This one is an all white mascara, which again is, this whole collection is just really fun, and it just has me really excited for summer. Even though I don't like summer, I like doing like more summery kind of makeup looks and stuff. Of that, there's so much like neon and color in this collection. It definitely like screamed my name when I saw it, so I knew I had to do a little video for you guys, because you guys know when there's color, I have to dip into it. This collection already launched. Link everything down below for you guys. As always, thank you Colourpop for sending this over, because you guys know I love color, so thank you. It also came in like this really cute like bag, which I think came in like the PR bundle that you can buy. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here using the new festival collection, then just keep watching. Go ahead and go into the shadows. I already have my eyes primed and set, so we have the pressed glitters go into later, but I think I'm going to start off with the pressed pigments. They're in these cute little like neon packaging. You can put them in like an empty palette, but I like the packaging a lot. So I'm going to start off with this like neon green shade. It looks green in the pan, honestly, but I remember from when I swatched it, it didn't look that green. It looked almost more like yellow, so I think I'm going to start off with that shade first. Just pat this on. My camera is already giving me trouble, and I literally just started filming, so that's great. Like I was saying before, I'm just packing this on or into my crease, and then I'm blending it upwards so I can use it as like my transition. I actually really like this shade a lot though. It's coming off a little bit more yellow on camera though. It definitely has some like green to it. I'm gonna move on to, which one is this? Ooh, is it Ooh or like triple O? I don't know. It's like this really pretty bright neon orange, and I'm very excited for this shade. So I'm gonna pack this on. Ooh, that is nice. So I'm just packing this on, but this is really nice. I like this a lot. Even since they're pressed pigments, they're blending out really nicely. A lot of times with pressed pigments, sometimes they can like be a little bit harder to blend out, but I'm not having that issue. I'm back with the brush that I used earlier with the What is this shade called anyway? This one's called Keep Scrolling, by the way, that neon color, the neon yellow. I'm just going back with that. I'm not going with additional product, just with whatever was left on the brush. Back one more time with Ooh. I hope it's Ooh, if not I just sound stupid. I also took a little brush like this. This is a Luxie mini tapered brush, and I literally just dipped into Keep Scrolling, and then I just dipped into Ooh with the same brush to kind of mix the shades, and then I just went over the edge and blended that up a little bit so it's all kind of like seamless and the same color, you know. So I'm going into the pressed glitters now, and I'm really excited for these. I actually haven't tried the pressed glitters on my eyes yet. There was a couple in the Sweet Talk palette, but I haven't used them from that palette yet, so this will be the first time I'm trying them. I want to go in with my finger, but I also have something else that I might use too. But I really want to go in with this shade called Fire. I swatched this the other day when I was doing swatches and everything. Oh my god, this was like the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. It just was so unique and it was just beautiful. So I kind of want to just apply it with my finger, but I also have this little brush. It's the Makeup Shack T69. It's just like a silicone applicator for glitter, so I feel like I could probably get like a more precise application, but I don't know because they're like pressed, you know. Let me see. I can try to pick some up. Good or not? Oh wow. I'm actually gonna just try my finger, and if I need to do like more precise applications I will use that, but I'm just gonna use my finger because they apply with the finger really nicely, at least from when I swatched them. But you guys, okay, look at how pretty this is. Like, oh my god, it just like reflects the most interesting and unique like colors. I don't even know. Truly like one of the prettiest like glitters I've ever seen. These are pressed glitters. They have like a, I mean, I didn't put anything down. Maybe I should have, but I mean, I don't think it needs it. Definitely applying with your finger works best, but if you want some like application, like I said, this Makeup Shack applicator is really nice. Like, do you just see this? And they just apply so easily, like no effort whatsoever. The prettiest glitter I've ever seen. Like, I can't stress it enough. Even when I took like videos on my phone, swatches, like it truly doesn't do it justice until you like actually swatch it and put it on yourself. It's stunning. I went ahead and just did the rest of my face in the meantime, but now we can move on to the lower lash line. So we actually have a lot of fun eyeliners. So we have all these 5. We have a white one, a yellow, that same kind of like orangey color, a neon green, and a pink. I kind of want to do yellow, but I also kind of want to do pink. I want to put pink on the lower lash line because I do have Sandbar, that eyeshadow. But you know what? I feel like maybe yellow will be kind of fun. Let's try it and see how it looks. By the way, I used the new Fenty bronzer today. I mean, I used it yesterday when I bought it, but I used it today. And I think I kind of like it. I wish it was a little bit more cool tone. I got the shade Shady Biz. It's a little warmer. I mean, it's not bad, but like I like to just, recently I've just been using bronzer to contour. So I wish it was like a little bit more cool tone, but it's fine. It's good. I like the formula. It blends really nicely. But anyways, back to this eyeliner. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It is super yellow. Definitely very vibrant. Really creamy too. It's not dry or like dragging on my lower lash line or anything. Like, it's not like skipping. It's not like tugging. One is bomb. This one is the color Crossed. CRSSD. Crossed. That one is really pretty. I like that one a lot. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to start off with Sandbar. It's just a bright neon pink. This is not a new shade. I have Sandbar as an individual, and I also know Sandbar is in the Ooh La La palette. It's like the main pink shadow in there, which is one of the reasons why I didn't buy the Ooh La La palette, because I have Sandbar, but you know, this one's in here too. So this is just a really nice pink. I've used this pink before a lot and I like it a lot. So I'll put this on my lower lash line. I probably should have got a different brush for this, but whatever. This is like a fluffy brush. I should have got a more dense brush. Let me see, hold on. This one's a little dirty, but it's fine. go. And it pops. I just love pink and yellow together, so that pops so nicely like against it. So kind of connecting it to the top over here to that orange. Went ahead and applied some lashes really quick. We also have an all white mascara. This is in the shade Little White Lie. I feel like it might be a bit much on the lower lash line with like the yellow and the pink already. I'm not gonna do it, especially because I have to go somewhere after this and I'm like, it's a lot. But I will use this in a look coming up soon because I'm really excited about it. A friend actually did a look using the mascara. I'll put it here. I love her so much. She's literally the freaking most amazing person ever. But yeah, she did a look. I'll put that here. It looks amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put regular ass mascara on my lower lash line. Put some color in my inner corner. I'm wearing What Brat from Fenty on my cheeks just a little bit. I just wanted a little bit of that pink, but I'm gonna put some of that on my inner corner because I love this on my inner corner. 3 new So Juicy glosses. We have NASA, which I know is an Ariana Grande reference. And we have Let It Happen and Feels Like Summer. From when I swatched them, Let It Happen reminds me a lot of the Fenty Gloss Bomb, like the original one. So I kind of want to use that one, but also this NASA one, it's cute too. And I just want to wear a gloss like over like a lip liner and stuff. I always use Kylie Dolce K. It's like the best color for lip liner. I don't know, I love it. So I'm just going to put this down first. It's literally like the color of my lips, but like a little bit more brown. But it's like the best. I love this lip liner. This and Curvy from Colourpop and I Love Study. Oh, those 2 lip liners are my life. Like how it's literally just like my lip color almost, but it almost just gives it like a little bit of definition. That's why I just love this lip liner. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one first and see how it looks. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's cute. Glosses are so juicy, literally. Like, okay, I completely forgot that was like the name of the lip gloss for a second. But these are the glosses that I did the campaign for, and I love them. Our plumping, I know I have talked about this before that I can't use plumping glosses. These ones don't bother me, so I put my hair up in like a half pony. My part is not straight at all. Anyways, this is the finished look. It is so fun. Also, this glitter does transfer into your crease if you have that problem. But if you take a brush and kind of just like flick it off, it's fine. It doesn't bother me that much. Do I wish it was not there? Yeah. Is it the end of the world? No. Like you could probably avoid this by putting down like a glitter adhesive or something beforehand. This is the finished look. I think that this collection is super fun. I'm glad that they are really starting to put a lot more colorful stuff in their line. Those eyeliners are super, super pretty. When I swatched them, the only one I noticed I had a problem with when I swatched it was this one, the Untz, I don't know, UNTZ. It's like the orange one. That one kind of dragged on my arm a little bit when I swatched it. I didn't really have that problem with the other ones. And I also have used the green one already too. I used that one in my Beetlejuice look that I did the other day. But so far, I think that they're really nice. This yellow one is bomb. I can't wait to use the pink one. I love the like little neon pressed pigments. I thought they blended out really nicely. Love all the pressed glitters. When I swatched them, I was just in awe. They're so beautiful and I just love them. You know what? Let's put a little bit of this glitter on my inner corner. This one is Hungry Ghost. It's like a, I don't know, it just looks fun. Let's just put that there. Let's just put the glitter everywhere. See how like fun this color is? I don't know, the pressed glitters are just really, really fun to play with. I think this is like the perfect time. Obviously, this collection is like the festival collection. It's perfect for like festival season. Personally, I don't do like crazy makeup if I go to like a festival. I mean, I went to Coachella, I did normal makeup. It's too hot for that, you know? Like, I don't have time. But, you know, for like pics and stuff, I guess. But it's just really fun and I love it. You guys know I love colorful things, so I knew I had to like, you know, dip into this collection for you guys. So Juicy glosses, they're good. I love these glosses a lot. They're just so nice and they feel so cooling on the lips and they're plumping, but they're not like super, super duper plumping. And they don't, if you do have sensitivities to plumping glosses, because I do, like I cannot use like anything plumping. These don't bother my lips at all. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.